most of us, it's easy for us to get our 1,000 subscribers, and we will now start waiting for the 4,000 watch hour, because that is the main work. Like, that is where the main work is. You can just do a lot of things and get your 1,000 subscribers, but when it comes to the 4,000 watch hour, that is where we struggle most of the times. So I'm here to show you how you can get your 4,000 watch hour easier. If you have not watched my other 4,000 watch hour videos, I'm going to link you to the playlist so you can watch other things you can also do to get your 4,000 watch hour. But this is a new way, so I'm here to share it with you guys. We all know that getting 4,000 watch hour is only possible when you get views. You need to get, there is no other way to get your 4,000 watch hour. There is no other way to maneuver getting 4,000 watch hour. It's only through views, views on your videos, views on your live stream, everything. Like, everything about watch hour is views, because it's when people watch your video that you get the watch hour. How long they watch your video is how you get the watch hour. Okay, so we're using a website on this one. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just going to pick up my laptop and show you the website you can use to get your 4,000 watch hour. If I'm looking down, just know that I'm looking at my laptop. Okay, so I'm just going to put you to the website where you can, the website that you can use to get your views and get your watch hour. Okay, so it works like magic. Like, I've tried it and it worked. So let's just move over to our Google or our Chrome, whichever one you want to browse with. You can use your phone. If you don't have, you must not use a laptop. You can use your phone. Okay, so just move over to your Chrome and search for Creative Fuel AI. I'm just going to type it out. Just look at the screen and see what I'm doing. Creative Fuel AI. So when it pops up, you just search for it, and that is the first one that came out on this website, this Creative Fuel AI official site. So you just click on it, and this is what it will bring out for you. This is the first interface that you will see. This is how the website looks. If you see all this, then you are at the right place. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do now is to register with the app. I'm going to sign up with the app. So I'm going to use my email to sign up. Okay, so here it's showing use Google or Apple, so I'm just going to use my Google account to sign up. So when you click on that Google, it will bring you out to choose the email that you use to sign up, because I have lots of other emails. So I just used the one I wanted to use to sign up, and I clicked on continue. So it's going to load and take me back to the page. So here it says, welcome Tonya, let's get the party started. So the next thing we need to do here is to get our channel link. So I'm just going to go copy my channel link and then paste it there. So the reason it's asking for your channel link is to analyze your channel and know the type of content that you create. Okay, so now that I've gotten my link, I just pasted it there and I clicked on build profile, and now it's counting. What it's doing here is just to gather information from your channel to know the type of content you're creating, just so it can help you better. Okay, so we are just going to wait for it to like be complete. And yeah, as you can see, it does not take time. You can see how it's counting very fast. Okay, so now it's done. It has gathered some information from my channel and it's giving me like what my channel is about and all of that, and it's telling me to confirm if it's correct. Okay, so I confirmed and it was correct. I didn't have to correct anything again, so I just clicked on continue. So this is the next page it will take you to. It's asking me what topics I regularly create content about, but it has already gotten some topics by itself, so I don't have to put any other thing. Like, this thing is just for lazy people. You don't have to do any other thing, because this is AI. It's already know what you do on your channel. Okay, but if you read it and you still want to, if you like adding any other thing, you can also add, but for me I just left it that way. So once you click on continue, the next page is going to take you to is help us understand your audience. So it's just showing you like what your channel is about, to just make sure that it got the information correctly. So what I'm just doing is just continue, and then the next page it will bring you to is which channel inspires you. Okay, so here you have to select channels that inspire you, or channels that you create the kind of content that they create also. Okay, but it will give you some channels that create the same content as you. So if you still want to add any other person, you can also do that. So after that, just click on finish, and this is what it will bring out next. Congrats, you have successfully set up your profile. Now let's generate some videos idea for your channel. You click on let's go. Once you click on let's go, this is the next page that it will bring you to,
idea page, ideas. So it will say you haven't added any ideas yet, so you just click on generate new video ideas.
And then this is the next thing. So we have freestyle, we have reimagine, viral templates, and audience insights. Okay, so for the freestyle and reimagine, they are free, but for the viral templates and audience insights, those ones are paid. Okay, but the one I use is just reimagine. It does the work for me. So once you click on reimagine, this is the page it will bring you to. On this page, it's showing you the video ideas that you can steal from other channels. When I mean steal, like I mean getting video ideas from other channels that create the same or similar videos as you do. Okay, so that is what it's showing. You can see videos from vidIQ, all those people that create the kind of content that I create. Okay,
and these are very interesting topic that has a higher search rate that people wants to watch. So it shows you other channel that have created it and the search volume and everything. So you just have to get all your video ideas from here. This saves you so much time, the time you used to think about topic, think about the content to create and everything. It saves you that time. Okay, so when you click on one of the videos, this is the page it will bring you to. Okay, and the next thing you need to click on is customize idea. So it's going to revamp this idea and turn it to a video that you can make. Okay, it can give you a video outline, a script, topic and everything, like everything that you need for a video. These things that he brought out now are ideas, video ideas that he got from that one video that we just clicked. Can you see? It's showing me 5 different video ideas from just one video that we clicked on. So from these 5 video ideas, you have to choose the one that you want, and you click on that 3 dots by the side, and it will show you plan video, plan this video, or delete idea. So any one that you want. If you don't like the topic, you can click on delete idea, but if it's something you want to create, just click on plan this idea. So after you click that, it will bring you to this next page that it will ask you, have you planned this video? You just click on no, I haven't. After you click on it, it will bring out some other questions. Please pay attention so you don't make any mistake. So here it says, help us understand the main concepts you want included in your video. So I didn't add anything there. And the next, would you like creative photo to generate an outline or full script? So you just have to answer all these questions correctly. For me, I'm going to write outline and full script. I need the both of them so I can select the one I want. Next is this page. So I'm going to select 13 to 15 minutes video, because this is a YouTube video. I want it to be a bit longer. I don't want a short video. Okay, so after selecting that, just click on generate video details. Okay, once you click on it, it will generate your video details for you, from the title to the description to the outline and everything. So we'll just wait for it to load and we'll continue. It's drafting out the video idea, the script and everything now. So this is the next page after loading. As you can see here, we have title, thumbnail, metadata, script, monetization, preview. Like, it has every single thing you need for a YouTube video.
This is the title he gave us. Don't share anyone's monetization secret. If you want to change it, you can change it. And then for the thumbnail, he gave us a thumbnail idea, like how you can create your thumbnail. And he also gave us other people that created that kind of video, how they created their thumbnail. So you can look at their own and know how to create your own. After building your thumbnail, you can upload it from here. This place that you should upload your thumbnail, you can upload it there. Then the next thing is this metadata. Okay, yeah, this is where we have all the tags that he gave you for the video and all the keywords that you need. So the only thing you just need to do is to copy the tags and go and paste it on your YouTube. And then for description, he gave me description exactly how I write my description. Remember that I went through my page when I pasted my link in the beginning of this video. So he just gave me description exactly how I like it, exactly how I write my description. So I'm just going to copy, like what you need to do here, just to copy and paste. So let's move on to the next, which is the script. If you use a script for your video, this will go a long way. Okay, it has the outline and the script just like I requested. So you can go through the outline and know if you can use that one, or go through the script that I wrote everything you need to like talk about in the video, and just make your video from there. This thing just made everything easy for you. Next is monetization. It will just show you like ways that you can monetize this video.
like the things that you can add to your description and everything just to make money through the video. The last but not the least here is preview. So it will show you how your video is going to look like when you post it. Okay, this is just preview. So this one in the middle now is my video, because that is the thumbnail it gave me. I didn't upload any other thumbnail. So yeah, it will just show you how your video will look, if it's like okay, if the video stood out among other videos that are related to the video. So that is exactly what it's showing you here. So with this website, you are not going to do any guesswork finding topics that are trendy that people want to watch, that will bring views to your channel. And also, you don't have to struggle to create a video. It does all the job for you.
So yeah, that is it. If I knew these two since, like, I wouldn't struggle to get my 4,000 watch hour if I knew these two, like this website since. Okay, when I found out about it, I was like super happy because it's just like AI helping you to do a lot of things that you would have done by yourself and still not get the views that you deserve. Okay, so these videos that I just showed you that you can generate through this website can get you the views that your page needs. Because when you're creating blindly without without anything that you're looking at, or without any AI helping you, you might not get the views. You might just be posting the wrong way. Okay, but when you use all these videos that this website is going to generate for you through your everything I talked about, you will surely get your 4,000 watch hour, no doubt. Okay, so just try it out and see how it goes. Don't forget to give me feedback when you try it out. Okay, so yeah, that is it for this video. I know you got value. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification beside it so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Don't also forget to hit that thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and also drop a comment for me down in the comment section. Thank you, because I know you have done it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.